Okay, so in this video, we're going to be building a petting zoo using some helper functions. I'll just be practicing how to explain this to you in the most efficient way, because I do understand it is a little bit difficult. So let's find some empty ground. Let's go right here. We're going to build a petting zoo. So we need a fence, maybe some trees and some animals inside. And yeah, well, this is a lot of things we want to do. So we're not going to place them one by one. We're going to teach the computer a few small jobs called helper code and then let them do all the work. So let me show you what we can do here. We do show blocks dot place. We'll do oak fence, and we're going to do 0, 0, 0. Let's actually just do 1, 0, 0, so that way it's not going to be next to me. Okay. There we go. You can see our fence is right there. Perfect. But our pen needs posts all the way around a square, and it needs many of these to make a square. So let's actually do that right now. Okay. So this would be the harder way, right? Is if we did something like this, we would do maybe let's do posts. Okay. Or this is the easy way, sorry. So we'll do post xz, and then move the, not axis z. There we go. Okay. And then if I can type, we'll have blocks dot place. Okay, and we'll do underscore fence, and then we'll do x z. There we are. Wow, it keeps happening to me. Okay, good. Now I'll press play. See what happens. Well, nothing's gonna happen because I didn't call the function. So now we'll type in post. We'll do 5 and no, let's do 5 and let's do 5 and 5. So it should be 5 to the left and 5 in front of me. Press play. Somewhere over there, maybe. There we go. Perfect, great. Now let's do this in a much better way. Okay, so we'll do this using perhaps we could use a for loop, but let's not use a for loop. Let's use maybe blocks.fill. There we are, good. And I have to get rid of all this. Blocks.fill. Okay, good. Enter, 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 and we'll do enter right there. Good. We'll do underscore fence. Good. We'll do X and Z. Maybe this will be Z. This will be Z plus 15, maybe. I will do this as X plus 15. There we go. So if I press play now, we should make a huge fence. Let's have a look. There we go. Look at that. Huge. Absolutely huge, right? Really, really big. Really, really big fence. Okay, let's get rid of that. Right, there we go. Now, what we do also want to do is maybe make the inside. Yeah, perhaps we want to make the inside open, right? So how do we do that? Well, we would maybe want to write something like here, blocks.fill. This time it's going to be air. And we need to basically increase x by 1 and z by 1 at the start, and then decrease it at the end. So we'll do x plus 1, x plus 1 right here, z plus 1, we'll do z plus 14, and then x plus 14, and this should hopefully make what we want. It's going to make it way over there, but yeah, you can see that this makes what we want. Perfect, great. Okay, good. So now what do we want? We also now want to make a definition or a function for a tree. So let's get rid of this for now. Okay, now we want a tree. So we'll say define tree, and we'll use x there. Perfect, good. And we're going to say blocks.place oak. Let's do oak log. Matter of fact, let's do sapling. Sapling might be better. There we go, oak sapling. And we're going to place this somewhere inside. We'll do pause. Let's do x plus 3. And then we'll do that z plus 3. Good. And then we can maybe do this a few more times. Why is this coming up as incorrect? This because of that. There we are. So we're going to copy this. What's going on here? Why is this a error? Z is not defined. Well, Z is defined. Here we are. It's because of this. Okay. Z, there we go. Perfect. I'm going to copy this. like so. Let's do it one more time. This time we'll do z plus maybe 7. If I can, oh my god, if I can type, we can do it, maybe. Okay, we'll do z plus 7. And then here we'll do z plus 11, just so it's going up by 4 each time. Okay, let's see what happens now. Oh, we didn't call it, that's why. Okay, so we'll do, let's do, was it post? This is called post, and this is tree. So we'll do post, let's do 5, 5, and we'll do tree. I will do 5, 5 here as well. Okay. There we go, good, look at that. We've made some trees inside. Perfect. What else do we need? What else do we need? Maybe we want to add the animals together. So let's make a function for the animals. So we're going to write define animals. Okay, we'll do x and z again. Right inside here, we'll do mobs spawn. Let's just do chickens. Chicken at pause at x plus, let's do x plus 6, then z plus 3. That should work. Okay, then we'll say animals 5, 5. See that I'm adding the same x and z values here, right? Why am I doing that? Well, I'm going to find out soon. What's it going to be? Okay, here we are. We've got our chicken. Great. Great thing is we can even do this for I in range 7 x. Okay, and then this will make many chickens. Press play. What happens? It's going to go over there. Okay, and there'll be many chickens. Even though they look like they're in the same place, I assure you, they are many chickens. Yes, you can see. There we are. Perfect. So how do we add all these together? Well, this is where the magic comes in. What we can now do is we can go over here, come down. You can now see something like define farm, or define maybe petting zoo. We'll do x, z. There we are. And well, these are all the things that are needed for a petting zoo. So now we can just define these as so. We can do x, z, x, z, x, z, and then we can just call petting zoo, and we'll do 5 and 5. Press play. What's going to happen? Ta-da! It's going to work. There we are. Great. That's it. So a helper function is just something inside of another function that can help create something. And so if we have a big project like a farm or a factory or a roller coaster, and the roller coaster, farm, or petting zoo is made up of lots of different items, well, make those little items first, put it inside the main function, and the functions inside of the main function are called helper functions. So all of these are all helper functions that go inside the main function right here, which is the petting zoo. Perfect. So think of the main function as the overall idea, and then the helper functions are the things that make up that idea. So hopefully that's clear, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.